What's up, YouTube? We'll go back again with another video, and today we've got mail. Now I just recently got off work, so let's get back home and see what's in this package. Now, if you guys have seen me do videos like this, I open this with you guys. As you can see, there's no cut marks, nothing. I want you guys to get the first-hand experience of what the shoe looks like. Now, the guy, I was asking him questions about the shoe. He says, the description says that they used to be old work shoes, and I actually asked the guy not to clean the shoes, so send them in the condition that they are, and let's see what those look like. It's actually packaged pretty nice, you know, covered up. Now, I got these Stealth 3s from 2011. Now, they're not in bad condition. All I need to do is, you know, use a sway eraser, knock out some of those tough stains. But, you know, this actually looks good. Package nice, sent on time. Description was on point. You know, all of the whatever they said was in the description is actually on the shoe. It's not bad. You know, I'm actually starting to like Mercari. You know, people on there are nice, communicative, and that's always good. Now, let's clean these bad boys. Okay, now that the shoe is kind of clean, let's just toss them outside for a day to let them dry. Okay, so now that the shoe is clean and dry, some of the paint is chipping away. So what we're going to do next is tape off the shoe and get off some of this paint. Some of you may ask why I use so much tape on unnecessary parts. I can get careless sometimes with the paintbrush and go off course, but this is just to be on the safe side.